In this episode, a police officer witnesses a shooting, and as the offender is trying to flee the scene, she discharges her weapon at the fleeing vehicle. And then the chase is on by another car. They finally curb the guy, and we'll take it from there. Hey, enjoy this one. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe. And we're on Patreon and locals as well.
Another ticket here about a person with a gun at 3016 Clybourne, 3016 Clybourne. It says male black, red hoodie, just got into a silver four-door sedan that is stuck in the snow. Vehicle is facing
Robert, we have that car. Can you run a plate? Robert 9775708. Put your hands up.
13 robbers got that vehicle at 3016 on Clybourne, guys.
All right, that's coming back to a 1993 Toyota four-door to Otilla Valley, valid to May 2016.
Shots fired, Slash.
Got shots fired, guys. Shots fired. We got shots fired by the police or shots fired by the offender?
Shots fired by the police.
20 Robert, 30 Robert.
Car's going northbound Western from Belmont.
Northbound Western from Belmont. Northbound and Western from Belmont.
Nebraska still going northbound.
Still going northbound on Western from Belmont, guys. Northbound on Western. Who's got this pursuit?
Silver Camry, passing Addison.
Who's got this pursuit here? Who's got a pursuit?
47 Robert.
47 Robert, what are you chasing?
Gold Silver Camry. It's northbound on Western, passing Grace.
All right, northbound Western passing Grace. Northbound Western passing Grace. 47 Robert, were you involved in some shots fired?
Oh, I was not, just past Irving.
All right, you got northbound on Irving, northbound on Irving. Northbound on Western passing Irving. 30 Robert.
Robert.
All right, we got some shots fired by the police by 13 Robert, and we got 47 Robert in chopper pursuit northbound on Western. Northbound on Western. 47 Robert, what are you chasing for?
Northbound Montrose. Or northbound on Western from Montrose.
What are you chasing for?
From that shot fired, Spud.
All right, thank you very much.
On Leland, it's stuck. Leland and Western, give me some cards.
All right, Leland and Western, we got that vehicle stuck in the snow. Leland and Western. 47 Roberts behind that vehicle. Got a unit helping out 47 Robert, Leland and Western.
He's on the way.
All right, who's going over there?
One's on the way.
11, I got you. Got him in custody. Where you at, 47?
In custody. Oh, in Western and, Western Leland.
All right.
I got one in custody. I'm on the northeast corner of the U.S. Bank lot.
All right, northeast corner at the U.S. Bank lot. We got one in custody, guys. You got somebody else out there?
One, Robert. We're with them. We just pulled up. Temple, we got the wagon here. We good.